Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to connect and use an OLED 0.91-inch display with an ESP32 board using the Arduino IDE. Before we begin, don't forget to watch all the previous tutorials through the link provided in the description. Now, we will build the entire circuit. This is what an OLED display looks like. Now, we will place it on the breadboard like this. Now, we will connect our first wire from the ESP32 3.3 volts pin to the OLED VDD pin. Like this. Then, we will connect the ESP32 ground pin to the OLED ground pin. Like this. Next, we will connect the ESP32 D22 pin to the OLED SDA pin. Like this. And finally, we will connect the ESP32 D21 pin to the OLED SCL pin, which also works as the SCL signal line. Now, our circuit is complete. Now, we will connect our micro USB data cable to the ESP32 into the computer. Now, simply copy the code from the website. And now, just install these libraries, otherwise, your code may show some errors. I've already installed them on my laptop, so I don't need to install them again. Now, let's go through the code and understand it line by line. Include 3 libraries: Wire for I2C communication, Adafruit_GFX for drawing text, graphics, and Adafruit_SSD1306 to control the OLED display. Set the display size. Width equals 128 pixels, height equals 32 pixels. OLED RESET equals -1 means no reset pin is used. Create a display object that the board uses to talk to the OLED over I2C. Setup runs once. Start the serial monitor at 115,200 baud so we can see messages from the ESP32. Start I2C using GPIO21 as SDA, data, and GPIO22 as SCL, clock, on the ESP32. Initialize the OLED at I2C address 0x3C if the display isn't found. Print an error and stop the program. Clear any leftover pixels so the screen starts blank. Set a larger font, set text size, 2, choose white text, move the cursor to x equals 10 y equals 0, and print the word hello. End of setup. Initial display setup is complete. Loop runs repeatedly but is empty here because the text is static. The OLED keeps showing hello without changes. Now, just verify the code. Our code is correct, so now we can upload it. Our code is uploading now. As you can see in the video, the display is showing hello in a larger font. Now, we can also add more text on the display, in different sizes and at different positions, just by adding these lines in the code. Now, just upload the code. Now, after uploading the code, you can see in the video that hello is showing in a bigger font and Wegyanik is showing in a smaller font. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.